you have the chance to win this incredible truck behind me, the F-150 Outlaw Hope Edition. We built this truck in partnership with cruiseforacause.org, and you can win it. Go to cruiseforacause.org or middletonmotorsports.com, enter a chance to win, and you could be driving this truck. This truck has an incredible presence on the road. If you look at it from the front, the first thing you see is an unbelievable Anderson composite grille. It is 100% carbon fiber, supplied by Anderson Composites, one of our key sponsors here. You also see a front splitter provided by Anderson Composite. It is the largest front splitter we put on any Outlaw build to date. As you work up the front, you have an Anderson carbon fiber hood. As you can see, we put some incredible wheels on this truck. They were provided to us by Weld. We also decided to powder coat those wheels in a pearl white. We powder coated the Wilwood calipers that were provided by Wilwood, wrapped around those incredible Weld wheels. One of our key sponsors that are on all of our Outlaws are the General G-Max tires. As we go down the side of the truck, you will see another part from Anderson Composite, and those are our fender vents. To make this truck purr, we partnered with Corsa, and they provided us a Corsa Extreme side exhaust. We think it's one of the best sounding exhausts on these trucks, and we decided to go with the chrome tips versus the black tips. So when you get to the rear of this truck, I think it looks just as good as the front. Well, maybe not just as good, but it looks awesome. Again, Anderson Composite rear wing, it looks fantastic. One of the coolest features on this truck is when you look into the bed. This was given to us in partnership from Bedwood. They are an incredible sponsor. They actually cut our logo into the bed. We didn't want to tuck the spare tire underneath this bed. It looks too fantastic. So what we decided to do is showcase it in the back of the bed. We customized this tire mount. You could pull probably a trailer with this tire mount, but it positions this fifth wheel perfectly in the center of the bed and displays it for everybody to see. We're going to start with one of the coolest interior features, is the steering wheel that was provided by RideTech LED. It is a custom stitched in pink carbon fiber steering wheel that has our Outlaw logo printed right onto the wheel. Also, you will see these incredible custom-made Katzkin seats that have the Cruise for a Cause logo on the headrest. It has the Hope ribbon cut into the center of the seats with our custom blue and pink piping and stitching. For our Outlaws, we customize them by installing a carpet floor. We did that in this truck as well. Also provided to us from Covercraft, a key sponsor that provided us an unbelievable custom cover for the truck, as well as these custom floor mats embroidered with Cruise for a Cause logo. The heart of this beast is powered by a Whipple Gen 6 supercharger, producing 700 horsepower to the crank, provided to us in partnership by Suburban Accessories. So I've taken you through most of our build and most of our key sponsors. But quite frankly, this truck would not look like this truck does without our sponsors at Wrap Lab, located in Verona, Wisconsin. They do incredible work. We went for a bit of a retro look. We chose powder blue and a pearl white with pink accents. What do you think? Let us know what you think of this truck in the comments. We couldn't be more excited about it. Please go to cruiseforacause.org, enter to win, or Middleton Motorsports and enter to win. You could be driving this truck next year. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.